Well, the state has rested its case in the murder trial of Daniel Arteaga, but not before playing the jury videotaped excerpts of his interrogation. Now, the scuba diving instructor is suspected of killing his girlfriend, Kim Schmidt, in the head, shooting, that is, his girlfriend in the head, New Year's Day of 2012. And KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey joins us now live at Spokane Superior Court. Jeff, Arteaga continues to maintain his innocence.
Nadine, Arteaga has been consistently sticking to his story, even in the face of that grueling 2-hour interrogation where detectives overstated the amount of evidence they had that allegedly tied Arteaga to the murder scene. It wasn't until 8 months after Kim Schmidt was found shot to death that detectives confronted Dan Arteaga about the killing. This videotape was made during Arteaga's August 12th interrogation, just before he was placed under arrest.
What happened? Why does she have blood everywhere?
I don't know.
I mean, what do you think?
I have no idea. I couldn't even begin to tell you.
Arteaga was Kim Schmidt's lover and a suspect in her death from day one. However, Arteaga has bent over backwards to cooperate with investigators and even agreed to this interrogation without the benefit of having an attorney present.
Did you like Kim?
Oh, I loved Kim. She was my best friend.
She was your best friend?
Yes.
In the world?
Yes.
More so than your wife?
Yes.
An hour into the interrogation, the detective then reveals evidence that ties Arteaga to the murder scene after the fatal shot was fired.
It's clear that you were in that room after Kim started to bleed. And that only says what it says, that you were there when she started to bleed.
Detective Mike Drapo then gives Arteaga the impression that he's found the victim's blood on something that belonged to the defendant.
There's no blood on my clothes from her. I was not in that room. I did not move her body like the news has said. I was not in that room when she was shot or hurt.
It's clear that you were there.
No. I left. She was asleep on the bed with the dog.
It is the state's theory that Arteaga killed Ms. Schmidt when he learned that she was rekindling her relationship with the father of her daughter. However, in this same interrogation, Arteaga told investigators that he's simply not the jealous type.
So, Jeff, today the defense rested its case without even calling him to the stand.
They could have called him to the stand, but you have this interrogation the jury has already heard, and when you call your client to the stand, that opens them up to cross-examination by the state. What we expect the defense to do tomorrow is portray their client as somebody who has fully cooperated with investigators and that someone killed Ms. Schmidt after he had left her home. We're looking forward to those closing arguments tomorrow here at Spokane Superior Court on Thursday morning. Reporting live, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.